Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am faceitmegan if you've never been here before, and if you have, welcome back. I am faceitmegan. I'm actually in a really good mood, even though I'm getting over a cold. Today I woke up and I had no voice. I had to drink some hot tea. I'm not really a huge hot tea fan, but as you can tell, my voice did somewhat come back. Today is going to be a Halloween glam day. I'm really excited about it. As you can tell, I do have some like bright pink eyeshadow on. Matches my shirt. I put this shirt on today because I've been trying to go for that Halloween theme, and I got inspired. I was like, I'm gonna do a skull look today, and I've never done a skull look before, so this will be my first time on camera, so I'll be learning how to do it on camera with you guys, and I'm super excited. So I am gonna go in, I'm gonna be using this. Let's see if I'm gonna test it and see if the black is working. And since I do use these items for special effects on people, I am not going to re-dip my brush. I'm going to only use my brushes once because I am going over my mouth, and the mouth and the eyes are very sensitive areas to be sharing with other people. It looks like it's painting pretty well. Maybe it just smells funny because it's been sitting. I haven't had it for that long. I just want to make sure it doesn't look bad, but see, it just painted on my hand. So let's begin. I'm gonna be using like a really small brush. I have a picture of a skull mouth that I'm going to try to do. It's pretty standard and simple, but I wanted to show you guys a simple skull look, and this is like the most simple one I could find. So I'm gonna go in and I'm going to start bringing this down. I feel pretty proud of myself at the fact that I came on here and I told you guys the truth that I've never done this before, instead of just being like, oh, I know what I'm doing, and then showing you guys and it looks horrible in the end. Okay, so here comes the fun part. Now I get to paint the mouth. This girl is very simple, like I said before, so I think I'm just gonna go in and start doing what she does. So now that I'm gonna go in with my mouth, I am not gonna be using the same brush twice. I'm actually gonna scoop out a tiny bit of this and put it onto my tray. This has my foundation on it, but I'm actually gonna just use one of these over here. And I'm gonna scrape a little bit out and put on there because I don't wanna mix my makeups that I might be using on other people. So I take a little bit like this and I'm just gonna put it onto the tray. I'm just gonna start by bringing the smile out. So now that the lines are done, I'm gonna dip back in. I'm gonna start in the middle. Okay, so I'm gonna go in really quick and take another new brush. I'm gonna dip into my foundation just a tiny bit and try to fix this. So I'm gonna dip in. I literally created this look with the Jawbreaker palette and the Morphe x Jeffree Star palette. So both of them were Jeffree Star, but he has really good pinks, and I already had his palette, one of his palettes on my desk, so I was like, I'll just go with Jeffree. So I'm going to dip into Self-Made, which is the color that's all over my lids. Okay, so I'm going to dip into Self-Made a little bit and a little bit of Back. And I'm going to just bring the shade up out of my eyebrow. It looks like that's what she's doing. I'm going to dip into Back again. I'm just going to try to buff it out as much as I can. Hers, the shades that she used are a lot lighter than mine. She did like a pink, like a baby pink. Mine are like, mine's like more like hot pink, but it goes with my shirt more. Anyway, I just didn't want this video to be like 10 hours long, so that's why I did my glam before, because that's pretty simple. If you guys want to see me do this glam look, I can do it in a different video after Halloween, but I mostly just wanted to show you guys a skull look. I've been really focusing on doing scars with you guys and bruising and stuff, and I really wanted to do like an actual fun Halloween look. And now, since I did that, I am going to go in with the Mitchell palette. Oh my gosh, you guys. The other day, my boyfriend accidentally, like, knocked my palettes off of my desk at home. And I don't want to blind you, but you can kind of see it. My Be Perfect Cosmetics one broke. I was like, babe! And he was like, I'm so sorry, it was an accident. And I just had to check all the palettes really quick. But the only thing that broke was actually just the mirror. So I'm actually really grateful it was just the mirror. But you can see it. And I just, I'm just really happy that none of the shades broke, because that would have been a bummer. Just be careful around your boyfriends, guys. Or your significant others, or anybody really, a friend. Just don't let them drop your palettes. This is transferring, and it might be because it's grease. You know what, I'm gonna go in and fill this in with lipstick. That might help. Helped a lot. Okay, I'm gonna talk like this now because I don't want this to transfer. I need to let it dry. It looks really good though. Okay, so let's go in with the Mitchell palette. I feel a little kind of weird talking like this now, but and I'm going to take a clean brush. It doesn't look clean, but it is. And I'm gonna dip into the same color I used on the rest of my face. And I'm going to highlight this a little bit. Alright, so now that it's all done, I was going to go in and put some gems on my face. These are just gems that I bought at like a craft store, but I'm just going to cut them off. Okay, they're already sticky. I'm just going to put them. These probably wouldn't stay all day, so if you're gonna do this for like an event, I would probably use some glitter glue or eyelash glue to put them on. But I'm probably just gonna take this off before I go to the mall. Wow, I feel really pretty now. Alright guys, so that's the whole tutorial. I might come back and like do a more fun skull look later on in the future, because this is just not good enough for me. Like I want to like venture out of my comfort zone and do some really fun things. This was a really nice first start, and I'm really happy that I was able to do it with you guys on camera. So as you can see, doing a skull look is actually quite simple. You can do it right now on camera with you guys for the very first time, and I did this good of a job, then you guys can definitely do it at home. that's the whole video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you learned a thing or two. I did for sure. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. If you want to see more videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please. And ring that bell for notifications so you know when I post videos. And I will see you guys in my last Halloween video next week.